data entry form of BarEl software has its own corresponding report or reports. Previously, we made entries into the pension scheme data entry form. Now let us look at the report as a result of those entries. You can see these are the reports we made. Report for those entries. And the name of each employee is indicated here. So we know that contribution employees contribution for music 710,000, employers 700,000. The reason why is they are the same just because their rate are equal or are the same. Let us look at another report. Basically, they're just the same. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching and listening.